Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the eOne in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do a couple of record unboxings. This is for Record Store Day 2020 Drop 1. They broke Record Store Day up this year into 3 drops. This is coming out on the first drop, the August drop. This is the Black Crowes Lions. An original of this goes for quite a few $100s. There's a bootleg that came out recently that's over $100, it looks like. So this is going to be a really popular one, I'm sure. This is a double disc on colored vinyl. Record Store Day's website lists this as numbered to 3,000 or limited to 3,000. They're not numbered, but let's take a look. So our store will be listing all of the stuff that doesn't sell the first couple hours we're open on our website. So 1 o'clock Eastern, we might have this and other titles available on our website at www.theingroove.com. So we open at 8 o'clock Arizona time that morning. So the locals here will have a couple hours to go through and get what they want. And for the locals that don't want to go out and shop because of COVID, they can shop from home. Anything over $49 on our website has free shipping, so yeah. So it has a pretty generic paper inner sleeve. Vinyl pink. This pink looks really, really clean. You know, I don't see any no-fill. Looks nice and flat. You know, I always get worried with paper inner sleeves. You know, sometimes you get these paper inner sleeves and you get a scuffed up record. Oh, actually, you know, I was going to try to save the shrink on this, which I probably can still do. But let me show you guys the inner. Pretty cool. Nice gatefold. All right, record number 2. Just a couple of specks of dust. Nice and flat, really clean. Not really sure where this was pressed. It kind of looks like it has a, the matrix kind of looks like the stamping that GZ uses, but I'm not 100% sure. Really, really clean. But yeah, 1 o'clock Eastern. Check out our website, www.theingroove. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time.